Blueberries shine as one of the most nutrient-rich superfoods, packed with an abundance of vitamins and minerals critical for keeping your body energized and robust. For thousands of years, blueberries have been cherished in various cultures not just for their delightful taste, but also for their healing powers. Their long-standing history reveals a multitude of health benefits, notably their celebrated abilities to support anti-aging and combat cancer. In this discussion, we'll dive into the impressive health perks of making blueberries a staple in your everyday eating plan. Let's uncover the top 10 extraordinary advantages of integrating blueberries into your diet, specially tailored for those of us looking to manage or prevent diabetes, seek out delicious yet healthy food choices, and understand nutritional information in a clear, accessible way. Number 1. Healthy blood pressure. Blueberries have a high content of anthocyanins, powerful compounds that play an important role in cardiovascular health. These potent antioxidants are known for a range of benefits, including lowering blood pressure, improving the function of blood vessels, and helping regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for individuals managing type 2 diabetes. In an 8-week study, participants who added blueberries to their diet experienced significant reductions in systolic blood pressure compared to those who did not include blueberries. Another research study targeted overweight adults facing hypertension. Participants were split into 2 groups. One consumed 25 grams of freeze-dried blueberry powder daily, while the other group took 25 grams of spinach leaf powder. After 3 months, those who had the blueberry powder reported significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Number 2. Gut health. Blueberries, often hailed for their various health benefits, have a particularly important role in promoting gut health, a benefit that doesn't always get the spotlight it deserves. Through detailed studies, blueberries have been recognized as a superfruit with impressive qualities that support a flourishing gut microbiome. Our gut, teeming with trillions of bacteria, is crucial for bolstering our immune system, influencing our overall health, and even affecting our mood. The high fiber content in blueberries is essential in this dynamic environment, as it feeds the beneficial bacteria and helps suppress harmful ones. Furthermore, blueberries are believed to offer a defense against leaky gut syndrome. This condition, which involves damage to the intestinal barrier, can lead to toxins leaking into the bloodstream, causing widespread inflammation, fatigue, and various other symptoms. Number 3. Support cognitive function and enhance memory. Blueberries concentrate a lot of vitamin E, an essential nutrient paramount for maintaining sharp brain function. Their richness in vitamin E not only aids in enhancing memory, but also in alleviating mental exhaustion caused by stress or challenging tasks, making them an ideal snack for those with busy and demanding lifestyles. Research has repeatedly shown that adding blueberries to your diet can help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline, including diseases such as Alzheimer's. This protective capability is largely due to the fruit's potential to slow down the aging processes within the brain. A notable study featured in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who regularly drank blueberry juice experienced improvements in memory function, particularly those with initial mild memory issues. These findings indicate that regular consumption of blueberries could have lasting positive effects on memory and cognitive health. Number 4. Master of anti-inflammation. Blueberries stand out as a powerful anti-inflammatory food, thanks to their rich supply of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These features make blueberries an excellent choice for those dealing with inflammation-related health issues, including arthritis, asthma, and even cancer. Research has shown that blueberries can reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of certain enzymes involved in inflammatory responses. For those suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, incorporating blueberries into their diet can be particularly helpful in easing symptoms by reducing inflammation. Furthermore, individuals facing inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis might experience relief by regularly consuming blueberries. A significant study from 2010 discovered a protein complex in blueberry extract that plays a crucial role in controlling inflammation. This research highlights the potential benefits of daily blueberry intake in managing and improving various inflammatory conditions, including those affecting the lungs. Number 5. Bone strength. Blueberries make a significant impact on bone health by promoting calcium production in the body. They contain a specific compound proven to strengthen bones and counteract osteoporosis, a condition marked by the weakening of bone tissue, increasing the risk of fractures. Although osteoporosis is most commonly associated with postmenopausal women, it does not exclusively affect this demographic and can also impact men. A particular study focusing on the effects of blueberries on bone health in rats with osteoporosis found that a blueberry-enriched diet led to higher levels of type I collagen alpha-1 in the rats. Type 1 collagen alpha-1 is essential for bone structure and durability, playing a vital role in preserving bone integrity. Additionally, rats that consumed blueberries showed increased production of osteocalcin, a protein crucial for the bone mineralization process. Number 6. Supports urinary tract. Blueberries extend their benefits far beyond their popular use in smoothies and desserts by offering promising support for urinary tract health. These small yet powerful fruits stand out for their effectiveness against E. coli, the bacteria responsible for the majority of urinary tract infections. Regularly including blueberries in your diet can help not just in preventing UTIs, but also in reducing their recurrence, thanks to their ability to counter oxidative stress in the body. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism explored the preventative capabilities of blueberries against UTIs over 3 months. The research involved 20 women who were frequently affected by recurrent UTIs. These participants were asked to incorporate 2 servings of blueberries into their daily diet and keep track of their UTI incidence. The findings showed a notable decrease in UTI frequency among those who ate blueberries, with these women experiencing significantly fewer UTIs compared to their usual rates without blueberry consumption. Number 7. Shields against heart disease. Blueberries are a treasure trove of phytonutrients, flavonoids, and antioxidants, all crucial in protecting against heart disease. These bioactive compounds are especially effective in shielding LDL cholesterol from oxidation, a key factor in the development of arterial plaque buildup. Among the many antioxidants in blueberries, anthocyanins, along with flavonoids like quercetin and kaempferol, stand out for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These components are vital for preventing cardiovascular diseases by reducing the risk of blood clot formation. Additionally, regular consumption of blueberries has been associated with a lowered risk of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome, conditions known to increase the likelihood of heart disease. By helping to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, blueberries bolster the body's defenses against heart-related issues. Number 8. Protection against cholesterol oxidation. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can offer significant protective benefits for heart health, particularly by reducing the oxidation of cholesterol, which in turn lowers the risk of heart disease. A 3-week study highlighted the impact of daily blueberry consumption, showing a decrease in total cholesterol levels by 10% and LDL cholesterol levels by 15%, compared to those who did not consume blueberries. Furthermore, the intake of blueberries has shown potential in guarding against the onset of type 2 diabetes. An experimental study with mice on a high-fat diet revealed that mice given freeze-dried blueberry powder had lower levels of oxidized LDL, a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis and cardiovascular diseases. By limiting lipid oxidation in the bloodstream, blueberries offer a shield against atherosclerosis and subsequent heart disease. They also play a role in preventing the formation of arterial blood clots by breaking down fibrinogen, a protein essential for blood clotting. This action helps maintain the smooth flow of oxygen-rich blood throughout the body, preserving arterial clarity and integrity. Number 9. Supports muscle recovery. Exercise is fundamental to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but it's well known that intense physical activities can lead to muscle damage. The severity of this damage often directly correlates with the intensity of the exercise, highlighting the importance of integrating muscle-repairing foods into your diet. Blueberries have been identified as a powerful ally in this domain. A study involving 29 healthy men aged between 18 and 30 investigated the impact of blueberry consumption on muscle recovery. Participants were randomly divided to either receive a placebo or consume 2 servings of blueberries daily for 2 weeks before undergoing intense exercise sessions. The study assessed muscle tissue damage markers and oxidative stress markers before and after the workouts. The results showed that those who consumed blueberries experienced significantly reduced markers of oxidative stress and muscle damage post-exercise, compared to those who took the placebo. This underscores the potential of blueberries not only as a nutritious addition to your diet, but also as a beneficial supplement for enhancing muscle recovery after exercise. Number 10. Could help prevent cancer. Blueberries are rich in phytochemicals, which are renowned for their anti-cancer capabilities. Among these, the flavonoid quercetin is particularly notable for its effectiveness in halting the spread of various cancer cells. Moreover, anthocyanins found in blueberries act as powerful warriors against oxidative stress, a key player in the development of many types of cancer. Furthermore, blueberries play an essential role in defending against the formation of advanced glycation end products, harmful compounds that can damage proteins and DNA integrity. These compounds are linked to the progression of chronic diseases, including diabetes and Alzheimer's disease, and are effectively counteracted by the inherent protective mechanisms in blueberries. Blueberries stand as a delightful addition to a health-conscious diet, providing a rich source of antioxidants while being lower in calories compared to fruits like grapes and cranberries. Whether you're incorporating them into various recipes or enjoying them as a standalone snack, blueberries truly deserve their superfood title. Their nutritional value and versatility have cemented their place as a cherished ingredient in culinary traditions around the globe. Through the centuries, blueberries have maintained their appeal not just for their irresistible taste, but also for the extensive health benefits they offer. Their lasting popularity highlights their role as a timeless nutritional gem, bringing a wealth of benefits to those aiming to enrich their diet and boost their vitality. If you found this video informative, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. We welcome your feedback and experiences in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more engaging and insightful videos headed your way.